Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Lucifer Morningstar from Hazbin Hotel. Lucifer Morningstar, a fallen angel of notable stature, is a significant figure in Hazbin Hotel, first appearing in the episode, Dad Beat Dad. As the estranged father of Charlie Morningstar and the former husband of Lilith, he holds dominion over all of hell. As the embodiment of the sin of pride, he also leads the 7 deadly sins, commanding respect and fear in equal measure. His complex relationships and powerful presence make him a pivotal character in the unfolding narrative of the series. Lucifer Morningstar presents a striking figure as a slender, fallen angel closely resembling his daughter, Charlie. He shares her white skin and rosy cheeks, along with blonde hair that features thin coral streaks intermingled with paler blonde highlights. However, despite this familial resemblance, he is slightly shorter than her. His appearance diverges significantly from Charlie's. Lucifer's mouth is lined with sharp teeth, and his hair is slicked back into a short ducktail style, complete with a rebellious tuft. His pupils are slit like a snake's, and his cheeks are a paler shade of red. Notably, he has sharp black eyebrows, light purple eyelids, and a forked tongue, adding to his sinister charm. Dressed in a flamboyant ensemble reminiscent of a circus ringmaster, Lucifer wears a wide-brimmed white top hat adorned with a golden snake and a red apple perched atop golden spikes, resembling a crown. His suit, featuring a popped collar and rich red trim, is punctuated by 8 golden buttons and layered over a light red and white striped waistcoat. In The Show Must Go On, his attire is further embellished with red and golden epaulets. Completing his look are heeled black knee-high boots and forearm-length dark gray gloves. A golden ring, likely his wedding ring, adorns his left pinky. He is often seen wielding an apple-topped black cane that mirrors his hat. His angelic heritage is evident in the 6 white wings, tipped with red feathers, which he can majestically extend from his coat, enhancing his imposing presence in the underworld. Despite his status as the ruler of hell, Lucifer Morningstar embodies a grandiose and dramatic flair, often oscillating between theatrical silliness and melancholic awkwardness. He shares an ambitious spirit with his daughter, Charlie. According to the book, The Story of Hell, which Charlie reads in Overture, Lucifer was once an idealistic dreamer whose quest to grant humanity free will inadvertently led to the creation of hell and his subsequent banishment. Following his separation from Lilith, he descended into isolation and depression, coping by hoarding rubber ducks for years, which ultimately strained his relationship with Charlie. He rarely reaches out to her, believing she has no desire to connect. Lucifer's social interactions often reveal a carefree, sometimes clueless nature. For instance, he miswords threats into innuendos and struggles to remember names. Despite his commanding presence, he exhibits social awkwardness, even attempting to bond with Charlie over their mutual attraction to women. He can be violent, as demonstrated in his brutal confrontation with Adam. Lucifer often offsets his aggression with a touch of arrogance, teasing Adam about his failures. His command over others, such as when he orders Luke to leave, is juxtaposed with his polite demeanor. As a father, Lucifer falls short, consumed by his own troubles. Although he loves Charlie deeply, he frequently neglects their communication, failing to keep up with her life. This disconnect starkly contrasts with the close bond they once shared in her childhood, where he inspired her passions. In his role as King of Hell, Lucifer largely shirks responsibility, allowing his subjects to act freely. He expresses disdain for the sinners, viewing them as destructive and irredeemable, and reflects on the consequences of granting them free will. Despite understanding Charlie's ambition to rehabilitate sinners, he remains cynical, warning her of the difficulties he faced in the past. Yet, beneath this exterior, Lucifer is fiercely protective of Charlie. His jealousy surfaces when he perceives Alastor as a rival for her affection, prompting insecurity about their father-daughter relationship. In moments of crisis, like during the confrontation with Adam, Lucifer demonstrates his protective instincts, fiercely defending Charlie despite earlier mocking bravado. This duality in his character, both a neglectful father and a fierce protector, paints a complex portrait of Lucifer Morningstar in Hazbin Hotel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.